Channel design yung ibabaw ha. Diamond saka Chanel. Ayan. Requested. Ito yung engine bay cover for Super Grandia. So ayan, may cut siya para sa upuan. And then charger. Dalawang port. Kabilaan din, dalawang port. Lagay ng cellphone, cup holder. So ayan po, sukat na sukat po yan. 160 yung taas niya. So may ipit siya dito kabilaan, kaya hindi siya gagalaw-galaw. Ayan po, black diamond stitch, gold stitch.
Nung araw pa yun eh. Ay, di mo makabatch? Makabatch mo yun. Mahirap kasi iba't adan daw Pilipino. Oo. Kaya kinagat yung masana sa gutom. Oo, kasi PG, kung nagkataong sa iba't adan Chinese, dahil nasadlak sa kasalanan, hindi nila kakagatin yung masana. Dahil ininegosyo nila.
Ito po yung ating engine bay cover para sa high ace. So may charger na, kabilaan dalawa. Ayan. Ilaw. Ayan po. Kabilaan yung charger.
Ooh, well that is a good question, Peck. We are going to use all these different jars to grow our individual rock candies. Now, we don't need the lid, because this is actually going to go in here, just like that, and grow up in this place. What about color? I want to see rainbows. Okay. Why do you think I have all this